Are you suffering from joint pain, stiffness, or loss of mobility? Have you been told you have advanced arthritis and may need a hip or knee replacement? Are you struggling with a frozen shoulder or rotator cuff injury? How long have you had chronic pain and inflammation in your neck, back, shoulders, wrists, elbows, hips, knees, or feet? Are you in agony from plantar fasciitis, foot pain, or ankle injuries? The good news is that we have a cutting edge solution that might be the key to ending your pain. The HydroWave Magnetohydraulic Shockwave system is the revolutionary breakthrough that is spreading across North America. Many chiropractors, physicians, and national sports organizations use this technology to achieve amazing results. The HydroWave system targets the root cause of pain, breaks down scar tissue, and stimulates your body's natural healing process. HydroWave is not radial shockwave therapy that many people have tried and experienced intense pain or limited results. HydroWave is a cutting-edge therapy that is radically different, often with immediate results with fewer sessions. The HydroWave system uses an electromagnet to generate acoustic shock waves through fluid that penetrate deep and wide into damaged joints and tissues. HydroWave triggers a cascade of healing and immediate benefits, including dramatic pain relief, increased joint mobility, new blood vessel formation, reduction of inflammation, soft tissue healing, restored tissue elasticity, stimulates growth factors, and causes tissue regeneration. HydroWave is known as the stem cell machine because it recruits and activates stem cells to heal damaged areas. The HydroWave technology is diagnostic. We can quickly identify specific areas of damage and inflammation with your feedback and deliver a healing cascade to damaged areas. This allows you to heal naturally without drugs and surgery. We are offering a consultation and your first HydroWave diagnostic assessment for only $49 instead of the regular fee of $300. Everything is included in this offer. The history and examination, x-rays if needed, diagnostic treatment session with the HydroWave system, and a comprehensive report of findings. HydroWave regenerative therapy is a revolutionary treatment that might be the answer for those who are struggling to find help. I invested in the HydroWave system for me. I experienced amazing results for injuries I have endured for years. This has allowed me to continue in practice and overcome pain. If you are ready to stop suffering, start living, and find freedom, then click the button below to schedule your HydroWave appointment now.